Hey guys and girls, today we're going to do a quick review on the Ryobi model P2402 automatic handheld fertilizer. Man, I've just been so excited. I've been waiting to get one of these. They didn't have them in stock in the store, so had to order it online. But I'm really excited about it, and I wanted to just show you some of the features and how it works. Now, I picked this one up for like $39.95. It does not come with a battery or a charger. So, you know, I already have a lot of those, but it does work with the 18-volt ONE Plus family, so you can use any of the batteries. And so let me show you some of the features here. Okay guys, so on the handle here, it has an adjustment to determine how much fertilizer or seed or salt that you're dispersing, and it goes from 0 to 5, 5 being a full setting. And as you can see here, you got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You could actually, and then go to 0. This, if you set it on 0, it won't disperse any seed, fertilizer, or whatever you have in here. It actually holds a gallon of product. It's not too heavy. I personally, I have a 4AH battery. You could use a 2AH battery if you wanted something to lighten the weight. It would still handle the job. The battery is right here in the back, so we'll pop that in. In the front here, it does have this adjustment here on the side, which determines it determines the spread of the fertilizer. So if you want it wide open, you set it here. As you can see, there's marks on the side. You'd set it all the way to there. That's wide open, so it gives you the full range for spreading, and that's one that I would use for fertilizer. Then you can also narrow it down all the way to the mark where there's 2. And you know, you might want to do this in areas where, like, maybe you're fertilizing a small patch of grass along a sidewalk, and you don't want to get fertilizer all over the sidewalk. So that feature is there, and you can adjust the spread here. Hey guys, so I've put some fertilizer in here. I wanted to show you how this actually spreads. I've actually used it already some. I did about 10,000 square feet, which is my lawn, and went through like a 50-pound bag of fertilizer, and I did it in about probably 30 minutes. Now, one of the things that I really like about this, and normally I use a drop spreader, but you know, you fill that thing up and pushing through really thick grass, it can really tucker you out. So I think something like this, as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to use it now instead of a drop spreader, and they're a lot more economical. And you know, I've had some of the other type of handheld spreaders where you actually crank, but the problem with those is you can't consistently crank at the same speed, so you don't get an even disbursement of the fertilizer. Where with this, all you have to do is pull the trigger and walk. So let me demonstrate for you here real quick. So this particular spreader has an anti-clog device in it, so that, you know, if you have any clumps in your fertilizer, and sometimes you will due to high humidity, it will break that up so that it continuously disperses the fertilizer. Now, one of the things that I've done is, yes, I'm using it for fert, but I also use it for granular fire ant control. And you know, it's something that my wife can even use. I'll fill it up, hand it to her. I said, you know, just go spread it along, and you can walk around the outside of the house, around the foundation, and spread that ant control. You could spray it out into the lawn. It just makes it really easy to use. It's really friendly. Like I said, you know, get one for your wife if she's the one who does your fertilizing and works in the yard. You know, if you have a small lawn, a lot of people don't want to spend a lot of money on a drop spreader. This would be my recommendation for sure, and this is what I'm going to be using instead of pushing a big heavy drop spreader around the lawn. So again, if you like my review on this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with all your friends and subscribe. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.